Good morning, children. Thank you so much for all your maths learning that you sent to us yesterday. You all really have got the hang of how to read and create your own tally charts. Today's lesson is all about the pictogram. A pictogram uses pictures to represent data. Data is another word for information. It is much quicker and easier to interpret the results in a pictogram than in a table or tally chart. Interpret means understand. It's another word for understand. Let's see if you can interpret this table in front of you now. See if you can understand it. So this pictogram shows a group of children and their favourite animal. You can see down on the side we have a list of favourite animals: dog, cat, snake, bear, horse and goose. Then, to represent a child, we have a picture of a child's face rather than the tally that we used yesterday. So each child's face represents one child. So immediately we can see that the most favourite animal chosen, the most popular, is a dog because there are more pictures. We can count them one by one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 children like the dog. Let's look at the cat now and count them. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for the snake we can immediately count just 2. And for the bear we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The horse, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children that chose the horse as their favourite animal. And you can see in the goose section that there are no children, so no one chose the goose as their favourite animal. Hopefully that was fairly clear for you to understand, but I have another video for you to watch and enjoy that shows it in a different way.
Gordon Crow ran the bird table, a place where all birds could meet to chit and to chat, talk about this and that, and of course get something to eat. Nuts were amazingly popular, as were seeds of all different kinds. Some went for his special fat juicy worms, but they weren't that easy to find. Then one day our Gordon had problems. "I'm in trouble," he said, "there's no doubt, 'cause I've 1 or 2 worms and plenty of seeds, but of nuts I've completely run out." When the birds came, the whole flock was livid. "How could this happen?" cried one. "I want some nuts," called another. "Gordon, what on earth's going on?" "I'm sorry," said Gordon, quite shaken, "but the thing is I'm quite low on stock. I can't work out how many nuts I should get, or worms or seeds for the flock." "Course you can," said a voice from above him, and down flew the wise old owl, Sam. "You can work out how many you want worms, seeds or nuts by using a bird pictogram." "Pictogram?" said Gordon, quite baffled. "What's that then?" said one of the birds. "Now, how can I show you?" said Samuel, "because it's quite hard to explain it in words." "I know, nut folk, get up on that branch there. It's quite strong, you can take it from me, and stand on each other's shoulders. If you need to, hang on to the tree. Now, seed birds, go up there next to them. Yeah, you do exactly the same. That's it. Very good. Not so many, but you're getting the hang of the game. Now then, that only leaves you 2 birds here. What do you like?" "Worms, dearie me. Now then, there's only 2 of you. Up you go. Now, Gordon, you see? The tallest column is nut birds, right? I think if you count them, there's 6, right? Then 4 for the seeds, 2 for the worms." Said Gordon, I've seen some tricks, but this just about takes biscuits. Oh, it shows me just what I should get. 6 lots of nuts, 4 lots of seeds and 2 worms. It's easy. No sweat." So for some time all went quite smoothly, everything according to plan. Gordon just ordered the things that he needed, using his bird pictogram. Then one day a new flock turned up there. They'd heard that the table was good, but this meant lots of birds, and of course, as you've guessed, once more Gordon ran out of food. "Oh, Sam," he called, "now I'm in trouble. I can't put this lot on a branch. I mean, the weight of these birds just might break it. Oh, Samuel, I can't take the chance." "Calm down, don't get in a lather," said Sam. "I've got a new scheme. We won't use the birds, we'll use pictures. Look, I'll show you just what I mean." Then he told each pair of birds to draw pictures of one bird on a piece of card. And the birds, being birds, could all draw birds, of course, so no one found it all that hard. "Now, wings up the nut birds," called out Sam. 8, good. Now, listen to me. Each picture represents 2 birds. So stick 4 pictures up in the tree. Now, seed birds, I know you're quite clever. Can you work it out for yourselves? Come on, off you go. Up, 6 pictures. So how many like seed? Of course, 12. This pictogram's looking quite flashy. Now, worm birds, how many are you? Oh, yes, I see. 3 picks up the tree. So there's 6 of you. Good. That'll do. Amazing, said Gordon, delighted. Once again, I know just what I need. 8 lots of nuts, 6 juicy worms, and 12 lots of very good seed. Samuel, you're truly fantastic. What can I offer you? Nought, said Sam. I'm strictly a mouse man. And he flew off with a loud twit-twirl.
Well done, children. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now it's your turn. I'd like you first to choose which level you would like to do today. Either the mild, the spicy or the hot. Now most of you will be choosing either mild or spicy. The hot level is aimed at year 3, just so you can think about that. Most of you will be doing mild or spicy. Now, the learning question today is, can I complete the pictograms using the data given? What I would like you to do is you're going to create your own pictograms on paper. So you will need a pencil and paper and a ruler if you have one, and I would like you to create your own pictograms using the data here. So I'm going to show you with the first one. We can see here we have a list of fruit: strawberry, pear, apple and peach, and the tally marks that you practiced yesterday have been placed next to each fruit. We can see for strawberry we have 5, 6, 7 tallies. So on your pictogram that you will draw, you will be using the key, and the key for this pictogram is a blue circle. So all your pictures will be blue circles on this particular pictogram. So for strawberry you will draw 7 blue circles. Excellent. And then I want you to do the same for pear, apple and peach. And you just use the key for that particular pictogram. The next one, you have to create a pictogram using a yellow triangle. Okay, now let's look further down. So we have here, it's exciting, a number of goals scored by these 4 children: Tia, Zach, Rosie and Leanna. On the right here, next to it, you have a blank pictogram. So this is what you will draw at home on your paper. Tia, wow, fantastic. She must be good at playing football. Tia has scored 5 goals. So on your pictogram, you will draw 5 footballs. Right, everyone, see if you can have a go. Good luck.